Assalamualaikum. In today's video, we are going to highlight cryptocurrency as development in Islamic finance and banking, which is one of the investment concepts developed from fintech that are currently attracting investors around the world. Financial technology, or fintech, has been evolving and expanding its growth in conventional and Islamic banking. In recent years, Islamic fintech, which focuses on the use of technology to deliver Sharia-compliant financial solution, product, service and investment, has been gradually gaining prominence. According to the IFN Islamic Fintech Landscape, 161 companies were registered as Islamic fintech entities throughout the world as March 2021. Islamic fintech is based on Sharia principles, which advocate the well-being of society while integrating ethics and justice with fintech solution. Cryptocurrency, or crypto, is any form of currency that exists digitally or virtually and use cryptography to secure transaction. Cryptocurrency don't have a central issuing or regulating authority. Instead, using a decentralized system to record transaction and issue new unit. It is a peer-to-peer system that can enable anyone, anywhere, to send and receive payment. Instead of being physical money carried around and exchanged in the real world, cryptocurrency payment exists purely as digital entries to an online database describing specific transaction. When transfer cryptocurrency funds, the transactions are recorded in public ledger. Units of cryptocurrency are created through a process called mining, which involves using computer power to solve mathematical problems that generate coins. Users can also buy the currency from brokers, then store and spend them using cryptographic wallets. If you own cryptocurrency, you don't own anything tangible. What you own is a key that allows you to move a record or a unit of measure from one person to another person without trusted third party. There are several types of cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, which are also the most popular and common currency to be traded. However, this advancement is quite questionable, especially for Muslims. This is because cryptocurrency is a new technology and never been discussed before. It is not similar like prohibition of riba, which has been mentioned in the Quran and practiced in transactions centuries ago. Muslim investor has doubt regarding the specific rulings of the transaction using cryptocurrency. Is it permissible or not? Or what makes this currency prohibited? Let's hear it from the next presenter.
Next, why this cryptocurrency is considered forbidden for Muslim? Honestly, this is one of the controversial issue since a lot of thoughts given by Muslim scholars and experts regarding this topic. First thing first, according to Islamic law, element of uncertainty, or we call gharar, is against the Islamic teaching and Sharia compliance. Originally, the things that we want to buy, the object or the product, has to be in physical form and has definite value. Therefore, regarding this cryptocurrency, it seems like we buy indistinct objects such as fishes in the sea or birds in the air. To make it clear, as comparison, stock has a clear value since the price increase or decrease depends on the performance of the company. Therefore, it clearly shows the element of uncertainty regarding the practice of cryptocurrency. The next issue is crypto tends to involve fraud and gambling in their practice. This is because people speculate the value without knowing the cost. Since the value and price is indefinite, the chance to harm others financially and psychologically may be higher. Therefore, this is why cryptocurrency is considered as inappropriate to be used as an investment instrument for Muslims.
Next, I will explain whether the cryptocurrency is Sharia compliant or not. The question about whether cryptocurrency is deemed to be halal Islamically has been raised again and again as Muslims across the globe consider whether to invest in it or not. Cryptocurrency is based on supply and demand in the way normal currency often are, and the coins themselves hold value based on the market. According to Sharia Advisory Council (SAC) of Malaysia Security Commission has stated that trading and investing in cryptocurrency is permissible or halal and Sharia compliant. It is because it has many attributes, includes value fluctuation. In addition, a blockchain of cryptocurrency can be used to combat money laundering. It also can be used to make zakat payment. Although cryptocurrency is not regarded as a legal tender, but it is a legit commodity that can be used to exchange within the market as long as it is not backed by the ribawi items such as gold and silver, which are generally used as currency to measure value of the item for sale and purchase. So far, there are 3 types of cryptocurrency that have been approved and can be operated in Malaysia, such as Luno Malaysia, Synergy Technologies, and Teconis Malaysia. However, for cryptocurrency to be fully Sharia compliant, the use of digital currency must accomplish the protection of wealth concept. Therefore, it is suggested that a cryptocurrency should be regulated by an authority such as government and must be backed up by any assets such as gold or silver in order to protect people's wealth. Furthermore, a Sharia compliant cryptocurrency is termed as digital currency to conform with maqasid as-Sharia, based on whether the cryptocurrency is being regulated by an authority and assets are backed up or not. Generally, there are 2 different views of scholars towards one of the cryptocurrency form, which is Bitcoin. The first view is that Bitcoin is necessary or mubah. They agree that Bitcoin got value, price, and can be benefit to the people according to Sharia. Their basis are: first, original hukum is necessary unless there are argument or dalil to prohibit it. Second, Bitcoin is mal mutaqawwim because of the reality is that it is value. And third, Bitcoin can be alternative to the real money even though any government not issue it. The second view says that Bitcoin is prohibited or haram because first, Bitcoin have gharar, uncertainty, jahalah, ignorance, and gambling element. Second, according to Sadul Zara'i, Bitcoin leads to usury and illegal trading. In a nutshell, discussion around cryptocurrency will continue in the year to come. Although many scholars have determined that investing in cryptocurrency is halal and Sharia compliance, but there will be some Muslims who will adopt a wait and see a policy first. That's all from me. Thank you.
The question about whether cryptocurrency is deemed to be halal Islamically has been raised again and again as Muslims across the globe consider whether to invest in cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is based on supply and demand in the normal way currencies often are, and the coins themselves hold value based on the market. While the scholars are divided on the permissibility of cryptocurrencies, most of their concerns can go away and a consensus may be reached on the status of crypto assets. For it to happen, here are the 3 conditions which cryptocurrencies need to fulfill all these conditions. First, it must be backed by a country's government and the value of the coin should depend on the government's stability and the nation's economy. Or it should be backed by a physical asset such as gold, silver, and etc. Second, the transactions must be tracked by a central authority. This is important in Islam to avoid the spread of illicit activities such as money laundering, drug trafficking, and other heinous crimes. And the third one is the speculative nature of cryptocurrencies should be removed or mitigated. This is important in Islam because it stresses the significance of saving capital for all people to prevent losses. In short, the market volatility of cryptocurrencies should be controlled to a reasonable level. Discussions around all forms of cryptocurrencies will continue in the years to come. It is quite clear that investing in cryptocurrencies hold a disputable position in Islamic finance. While many Islamic scholars have accepted that digital currencies may be the future,
The conditions laid out by Sharia hold them back from issuing a clear-cut stance on this matter. Although many Muslim scholars have determined that investing in cryptocurrencies is halal, there will be some Muslims who will want to adopt a wait-and-see policy. However, when things get more clear down the line, many scholars are expected to come forth and present an official stance on the usage of cryptocurrencies. As long as the cryptocurrency investment does not include haram activities, then cryptocurrency itself does not contravene any Islamic finance principles that regulate investment, money management, and currencies. What seems clear is that conceptually, cryptocurrency as a whole do not appear to be impermissible according to Sharia law rules. The growth of Islamic cryptocurrencies, exchanges, and coins does mean that there is more clarity and regulation than ever before for Muslims looking to invest in digital currencies. That is all from us. Thank you.